I will say that I've had a lot of opponents over the years. The best way I can say thank you to some of those people who have been affected or have affected my career is to kind of pay homage by maybe taking some risks and doing some stuff that I don't normally do out there.
One of his all-time great opponents, the Viper, Randy Orton. RKO by Cena. Styles went with a phenomenal forearm. Cena picked him out of the air. What?
Look at this scene.
Paying homage to the late, great Bray Wyatt, one of the most incredible minds in the history of professional wrestling. And the Fireflies are out in Perth.